check. Hello. Alright.
Hello. Oh, this is a little different, so can you see when people come on?
Yeah, but we can still do monitor.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, what is it saying? Okay. It should be on.
Welcome, Win. How are
Okay.
you?
That's it. So
Trying to monitor it here, but
it's a
it's
sign.
not giving me the option. Oh no. What to do?
Okay, at least we have it here.
Yeah, it'll be hard to read. Okay, let me just join and then I'll look at it on my phone.
Yeah.
The questions.
Okay.
Welcome. So we're back to doing A plus today. Were you still talking about devices, mobile devices?
Yes.
Okay.
It's A plus.
A plus mobile devices, still the first domain. I am logging in. Today we're a little tardy.
I mean,
Yeah, we are. We're like 5 minutes late. Okay. All right, I'm in too. Okay. We are doing well. Thanks for asking. Yesterday TikTok was acting up, so anyway, so today domain was CompTIA A plus core 1 mobile devices, but we did mobile devices the other day.
yeah, we did.
So
However,
we're back to
we
it.
did we just did the first subdomain.
Okay.
So we still have, I think, 2 more domains.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think we did. Let me just confirm. We
Okay.
did the hardware setup,
Mhm.
which we talked about the batteries, and I think most of the questions was also on troubleshooting.
Okay.
Yeah, and it seems like the questions overlaps, right?
Okay.
So hardware setup, you might see the same question in troubleshooting
Okay.
in a way.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So ready when you are.
Okay, so
I'm trying to monitor.
So yeah,
It's a lot to monitor.
no problem.
Okay. So I mean, this question from the questions from yesterday.
This is from yesterday. So
Okay.
let's start off with what we have for today.
Okay. Is there a lot of questions?
Yeah, there is a lot.
Okay.
So yeah, I think there's a lot.
Well, when is gonna have fun then? Till everybody joins in.
Alright.
Let me see if I can get. Let me post this. I feel like the video's lagging.
Is it? Oh, on your end?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is.
When are we lagging?
Yes, okay.
No, I think he was answering something else.
Okay. It's lagging.
Yeah, it is lagging. Okay.
What's this?
Is it okay?
Still?
It looks like it's back to normal for now. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna monitor it to see. Okay, he said it's good now. It has N2. Okay, good.
Okay.
All right.
So let's add. Let's just do this.
All right, let me send this to you so we can post it on WhatsApp. Okay, link
First of all?
on WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. Let's bring this a little. So yeah, so today's all about
I need your phone. Thank you.
all about domain 1 of the A plus core 1 certification. So domain one is mobile devices,
Mm-hmm.
um, and the sub domains or sub exams objectives are the hardware setup, accessory options, network setup, and troubleshooting.
Okay.
All right. Um, so yeah, so I think Wayne already made made
I was sorry. I was busy trying to post for people to join.
yeah.
Okay, hold on.
So
Okay, wait.
it's
A user wants to connect the laptop to an external monitor and extends the desktop. Which of the following should the technician configure? Okay. A, display settings. B, power options. C, BIOS settings, and D, device manager.
Mhm.
Um.
Why you
Oh,
going?
I was even trying to monitor. I was trying. Okay, all right. I mean, we know what the answers. I'm gonna go with Wednesday's answer, which is A. So, display settings, right?
Yes,
Okay.
display settings. Yeah, so it says a user want to connect a laptop to an external monitor
Mm-hmm.
and extend the desktop. Which of the following should the technician configure? Right. So
When he say extend the desktop, what exactly does that mean?
basically, on your laptop, you can
Well,
extend
welcome,
it
Cam.
extend it to what? To the TV, right? You
Oh,
see how
okay.
we do it?
Yeah, yeah.
Click extend and
Uh huh.
then it
Oh, that's it.
displays. Yeah,
Okay.
and it's the display settings that you need to configure
Okay.
to get that working. Power options that is not relevant. Device manager, that is also not relevant. It's used for installing of devices and devices, specifically installing and uninstalling devices.
Mm-hmm. But what is
Or
BIOS? Did you say that already?
BIOS, no, basic input output system.
Mm-hmm.
Settings is basically um, when you're trying to power on your system before it gets to the operating system, it goes through the BIOS first, right? And there are a set of settings that you can enable before the PC boot up, right?
Okay. Welcome,
A
Lucky
simple
Charms.
example is
Mm-hmm.
the boot option. Which device do you want the computer to boot from, right? So is it
Okay.
the CD-ROM? Is it USB? Is it on a network drive? It gives you that option to that settings to change on the BIOS. So that is not the answer as well.
Okay.
So yeah, so the answer is a display settings, and even if even you don't know exactly what the answer is, I think you can still guess what the answer is. Right? It's
Okay.
talking about display.
The boot order. Okay.
Boot order. There,
Yeah.
there you go. Good, Lucky Charms.
Oh, welcome, Lucky Charms. If you're not following, follow. We're here every day.
Yeah, and share the link. Share the link.
Win already has done so.
All
I'm
right,
trying
so
to.
let's
I'm
try
a mess
this.
today, guys.
Let's try this.
Somebody changed the order of events, so it's very hard for me to.
No one changed.
Yes,
the
he
boot
does.
Order.
He's always changing stuff, so I'm trying to.
Nah. All right, so let's
Oh,
try.
he said I am. Love these. Oh, I'm glad. So this win.
All right, so let's see the next question here. So the A plus is just what? It's just more like a day-to-day troubleshooting, right?
For help desk.
Yeah, mainly help desk, right?
Okay.
And most of the things let me see. Where is it? Most of the things that we troubleshoot on a day-to-day basis on our regular laptop and all that is what? It's similar to what we are talking about here.
What you
right?
talk about?
Yeah.
When is asking any tip for Security Plus? So there's a schedule posted on the page. So Security Plus topics are discussed Thursdays or Fridays? Thursdays.
Thursdays.
Thursdays. So Thursdays we do, well, he does Security Plus. So Thursday we do Security Plus, and we go through the questions. He's right now he's going domain by domain. So last week we did the first domain. I don't think we finished all the topics in the first domain, did we? No, right? Or did
No.
we did? Okay, so we're gonna go. So this week Thursday we're gonna do the domain as well. I mean, go through the domain. So if you're planning on taking it, Thursdays will be a good option. But this is also a refresher. All right.
Yeah.
Before one answers,
And
let me
I
go.
think we have the schedule posted
Yes,
on
yes,
our page, so you
I
can take
set
a
that
look
in
at
there.
that as well.
Okay.
Uh,
All right. So, which of the following technologies is primarily Jesus
primer,
primarily
primarily. Okay.
used for contactless payments and access badges? Oh, I think I know this.
Okay.
I'm not gonna look at which answer. I'm gonna take a guess. Bluetooth, NFCs, RFID, and infrared. I think is NFCs.
Okay.
And I'm saying it's NFCs because a while back when it first started, they were using your phone to do some NFC stuff. So I was assuming that was yay.
Right. So that is it, right? So
Yeah.
these are A plus is just the day-to-day things that we perform, right? So we are even more of a
Welcome,
help desk
Tokyo.
than we even know, right?
But Lucky Charm says RFID. So can you explain what the rest of it are?
RFID question mark. So RFID is not a technology used for payment system.
What is it
Right.
used for?
So RFID mainly for tag reading. So if you are going through the toll booth, right? It's RFID that you use.
Is it
So-
infrared?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
RFID. So now the difference between the RFID and the NFC is the RFID has a longer range,
Okay.
right? So that's why it can read your tag, right?
Okay.
But the NFC, I think it's like 2 inches. That is the length. The range, right? So now.
Tokyo. You should.
Still waiting.
He don't
still
bite.
waiting.
I bite. He don't bite.
So yeah. So the whole point of the payment using NFC for payment, right? So the issue is the range, right? RFID has longer range, right?
Okay.
So even if you're in the room here and if RFID is being used for payment, you are in the room with your card and someone is in the parking lot,
Welcome,
they can still scan your card.
Okay.
Which is not ideal for payment, right?
Okay.
So NFC is the technology used
Welcome, B.
for that.
MPUV.
So yeah, so in order for the payment to go through, you have to be like 2 inches close to the system, which makes sense.
It's almost like the new so the Apple, Apple when you're now sharing contact information, you have to touch the
NFC,
phone.
yep,
It's NFC.
yep,
Okay.
NFC.
Okay. Cool.
Right. So yeah,
Cool.
that is it. Bluetooth, we know what Bluetooth is. Infrared is usually for remote, right? And it uses line of sight.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So NFC.
NFC.
Right?
NFC, near field communication. Oh, that's what it's called.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
All these abbreviation.
All right. All right. So let's try to
Next
go
question.
to next.
I think I like A plus more than the ones we do
True.
because it's more
True.
relatable, I guess.
True.
Yeah,
you're
it's a
right.
little more relatable.
Yeah. Because you are used to it.
Yes.
Right? You are used to
yes.
it. And than
The rest
Linux,
of it.
right?
Yeah, Linux is so confusing.
than Linux.
Okay. But I guess the people you're gonna go? I guess the people that are used to it also like Linux.
Exactly.
Because they're used to it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right. But you don't get used to it
Overnight.
overnight. I mean, even with Windows, you don't get used to it overnight, right?
Mm-hmm.
You've been using it since you're like 9 or 8, right? So you have some sort of experience in a way,
Okay.
right?
All
All
right.
right, so let's do this one.
When pairing a Bluetooth device for the first time, which of the following security features is commonly used? Ooh. Certificate, token, PIN, biometrics.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, yeah, okay. There's a C in the answer. I know it can't be D.
Okay, good.
That I know.
Good. At least you've eliminated.
But I don't know what the difference between. I know you mentioned token before. Welcome, Crypto Hero. But I also don't know what the difference between a token and a certificate.
Mm-hmm.
So, Crypto Hero says A. Okay. When and BM. I feel like I should know your name. Because BM Puff is hard to pronounce for some reason. Okay. C. Oh, Win said. Oh, did Win say C twice? Okay, C.
C.
It's C.
Okay. So C is okay.
Welcome, Nizzo.
Okay. All right, and we have 1A.
Okay. What's
All
the
right.
answer?
So the answer is.
Oh, crypto's actually C. Okay, crypto agrees that it's C.
Okay, cool. So
Okay.
yeah, so the answer is C.
C.
Right. So when
Okay.
you're connecting a Bluetooth for the first time,
Mhm.
right, it would tell you to plug in a specific pin
From where?
from your phone.
Really?
Yeah, it would tell you
Oh.
for the first time.
Okay.
But once you pair the Bluetooth, it wouldn't ask you anymore. So that's why
Okay.
you don't see it. Yeah, it's just the
anymore.
first setup.
Okay. So what is it? What is a certificate and what is a token?
So certificate is specifically used for PKI, which is public key infrastructure,
Mm-hmm.
and it's also used when it comes to HTTPS, right?
Oh, okay. That's the secure
Yes,
website. Mhm.
yeah. So those are the technologies that uses for certificate.
Okay.
Token is more of the two-factor authentication,
Okay.
right? Either you use Okta, right?
We use
Exactly.
Okta.
So
Okay.
Okta will give you that token, right? That's the second factor.
Okay.
Right.
Crypto saying you put a pin with connecting Bluetooth. Okay, and then the certificate would be for Wi-Fi.
Certificate. Wi-Fi. No.
Mhm.
No. I've not seen
Certificate
certificates
for Wi-Fi?
used for Wi-Fi.
Welcome, AJ.
Yeah.
But we stand to be correct.
Yeah, I
then.
mean,
I'm curious.
if you've used it before, by all means, you can
Let us
know how it's used. But I've not
You
seen
use it?
used.
Okay.
In,
Can I get a pen so I can write it to look at it later?
In Wi-Fi, no.
Okay.
Yeah. Usually, Wi-Fi would be.
What happened to my post-its? See, you
would
change stuff.
be- Yeah, would be encryption, but I don't
Thank you.
think it does the whole PKI.
Wi-Fi for certificates. Okay. Pen.
Okay.
Welcome, AJ. Yes. Welcome, PH Renko. That's probably.
It's Franco.
I don't think that's how I was pronouncing it, but yeah. Yes, it was PIN, etc., etc.
Okay,
Okay.
certificates,
For
yeah.
website and app.
yeah, HTTPS,
Okay.
yeah. But yeah, let me know if you've used it in a Wi-Fi. I've not really seen that before.
Okay.
A certificate being
Welcome,
used
Barry
on
Allen.
Wi-Fi.
Today we're doing A plus core. He's going through domain by domain to prepare people that are going to take the exams. And if you're taking it, this is supposed to be a refresher. So he's going through domain by domain. So today is the first domain of the CompTIA, specifically A plus exam, and is specifically mobile devices, right?
Yes, mobile devices, and that's the first domain. Right?
Okay. Next
Yeah.
question.
And
But the
that
answer
is-
was PIN. Oh,
yeah,
sorry.
that is I think 13%
Of the exam.
of the exam. So it's a little fraction, but
Maybe like two
it
questions.
still counts.
Are just the two questions that you want to get right?
Right. Okay.
Next question. Share the line.
Okay. Oh, well, let's do this one. I think this is good.
Okay.
Okay, I just have to reformat it a little here.
Is good as in is difficult or is good as in is confusing?
Good as in it will challenge you. Challenge is always good.
We do like challenges.
Yeah, it helps you grow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Welcome,
let's do
Nelly.
that. Oh, sorry.
You got too excited.
Okay.
Okay, which of the following best compares Bluetooth and NFCs? Okay.
Mhm.
Bluetooth has a shorter range than NFC. NFC supports higher data transfer speed. Bluetooth has a longer range than NFC. NFC requires device pairing. So does Bluetooth.
NFC recover,
Requires device pairing.
and it says so is Bluetooth.
So does Bluetooth.
When have you used pairing in NFC?
I don't know.
remember the Bluetooth.
Uh-huh.
We talked about entering a pin. Right?
For the first time.
So that is pairing.
Pairing, right? Okay.
But how about NFC? If you're making payment in a grocery store, what do? Do you have to pair it? Do you have to pair the NFC first, or if you are transferring contact from your phone to mine, do you have to enter a pin
I mean, what's
first?
the definition of pairing? Isn't it
It should be mutual agreement or mutual, yeah.
But
connection.
they all agree the answer is C, so I'm here chatting it up. So it's C. Okay. C. Is that an
It's
answer?
C?
It's C. I don't know that. I'm agreeing with the majority.
Okay.
Is C?
The majority carries the vote there.
Oh, so it is C?
It is C.
Okay.
Right.
So Bluetooth has a longer range than S.
Exactly.
I think you did mention that
Exactly,
before.
right?
Though. Yeah.
So Bluetooth, I think it's. I'm not too sure. I think
The range?
The range, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's like more of like I think up to 10 meters. That is for
really?
Bluetooth.
Okay.
Wi-Fi. Ooh, I don't remember Wi-Fi.
Okay. When says 2 to 10 meters.
Yeah.
For okay.
Wi-Fi is longer than Bluetooth. I don't remember the exact distance, right?
And then the NFC is probably most likely.
NFC is 2 inches. Like you have to be right there before.
It works.
Yeah, it works.
Okay.
Right. And then
Longer.
obviously RFID also has longer.
Yeah.
Right. There's the
Because
same
that's what they
technology
use
used for tolls.
tolls.
Right.
You said.
So,
Okay.
yeah. So these are the type of questions you see in the exams, right? All right.
Okay, longer. When does it have obstacle like wall, etc. for Wi-Fi? Doesn't have obstacle. Or when it doesn't have obstacles, like wall, etc. for Wi-Fi. Okay, so it goes further. I guess what he's trying to say is that it goes further if it doesn't have obstacles in its place, like Wi-Fi, right? Because you mentioned it. Sorry,
no, go ahead.
Because you mentioned like stuff like microwave and stuff like that deters the
the distance.
The distance of a. See, I learned. I learned. Welcome, Steve. Welcome to the IT study room.
Okay, this is also a good one.
Okay.
I mean, but the
I feel like the pros in here they find it is quite easy.
Yeah,
which is good. Which is good. Before we get to Linux. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow
Network plus. Okay.
Yeah. So let's just read this. All right, this is a good one too.
Okay. Which of the following mobile technologies is commonly used to secure building access badges? Isn't that the same question?
No, we didn't talk about building badges.
We talked about badges before, no?
Today?
Yeah, right. The first question. Okay, Bluetooth, NFC, infrared, GPS. Ooh. But can it be two?
No, it has to be one. They didn't say select two.
Oh,
so which one is there?
Something. IEEE wireless standards drives me nuts.
IEEE wireless 802.1. 802.11. A, B, G, ACN. Which one's the latest one?
He said it's driving him crazy, so I don't think he wants to know.
Why is it driving you crazy though?
Majority saying the answer is B.
It's B. Ooh.
You know, out of curiosity, I would have thought that it would be like a GPS, right? This is my thinking. Okay. Because when you get into, let's say, if it's a big company, and you want to be able to badge in, don't you want to be connected to, okay. Okay. All right.
It's GPS.
Okay. I'm just, explaining my thinking here, but okay. Yeah. But I get it. So
and that is true. And that is how a beginner would also
process
it, right?
Yeah, but he's like
GPS
is way off.
At least we know it's not GPS, right?
Okay.
Everybody would remember that it's not GPS. Yeah, and the best way to memorize to know something is to get it wrong, right?
Because now I'm definitely not gonna say GPS,
GPS anymore.
In the midst of IT people, we're like, girl, get out. Okay.
All right. So so the answer is NFC, right? Okay. So remember, when you have a badge or when you badge in, you have to be close, which is 2 inches for NFC.
But I've seen badges that you can't. I mean, okay, there is a distance. Yeah. There is a distance. Okay.
Yeah, badging is NFC.
Okay. Yeah. Welcome, interviewer 63.
Ooh.
You know them?
Interviewer.
No. Okay.
Someone is being interviewed. All right, so let's do this. Let's go to the next one.
It's Polly. Welcome. We're doing CompTIA A plus. This is the IT study room. So if you plan on taking the A plus certification, these are just questions um, to gauge where you are. And if you're already taking it, this is just a refresher. Okay. A user is traveling internationally and reports that email is no longer syncing on a smartphone. The device can still connect to Wi-Fi. Which of the following settings should the technician verify?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
I know.
Bluetooth, airplane mode, data roaming, VPN. How long do you have for this exam?
Oh, I think it's 90 minutes. 90 for 90. Yeah.
Oh,
90 minutes.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm trying to see if somebody can just walk in there and take it without having the knowledge of it. Because seeing that it seems very logical and very self-explanatory.
You fail.
Oh,
You fail.
okay.
Trust
Matter
me,
of
you fail.
fact.
Yeah.
The
So
okay.
yeah, and the A plus has performance based as well, right?
Okay.
So you have to know how to
Ooh, okay.
configure stuff.
All right, we have C, we
Oh,
have
so you have
D,
D,
we have C, D.
Ooh.
VPN,
Uh-huh.
and D, airplane mode.
Uh-huh.
So okay, what's the answer?
No, they're not done.
They are done.
No.
Who told you they did?
No.
Okay, I mean I don't see anybody answering. They all answer. Dum 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 dum.
So the answer is
Still getting Wi-Fi.
the answer is
Mm-hmm.
C.
C.
Yep, C.
Okay, you gonna explain?
Read the question. And just the first
A
first
user
sentence.
is traveling internationally.
That's it.
I mean, but if you're international, you could be in airplane mode. That's why you're international. You're on a plane.
That is fine, right? You
Oh.
are traveling internationally. I
Uh-huh.
mean, no. It didn't say that you are on the
plane.
flight,
Yeah, I didn't. I caught
Exactly.
myself, but I was still trying
right? So
Okay.
airplane mode wouldn't be an option, right?
Okay.
It says the device can still connect to Wi-Fi,
Mm-hmm.
right? So yeah, so usually you have to turn on what?
Airplane mode. Oh, data
Data
roaming.
roaming.
I
Right?
thought. Oh, okay.
You've seen this.
Yeah,
setting
I've
before.
seen data
Yeah.
roaming. I have.
And that is when you come back and T-Mobile charges
charges
you
you
more.
extra, yeah.
So that is it, right? The
Overall,
question
so-
is not that really, it's not really clear. I mean,
Okay.
it's humans that
Made the questions.
set
Yeah,
some of
but the
these
device can
questions, so-
still connect to Wi-Fi.
yeah. So
Ugh.
meaning it would work on Wi-Fi. So internationally,
Uh-huh.
when you connect to Wi-Fi,
Uh-huh.
everything is okay. However, you can't connect using regular cellular
Circular net.
connection.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So data roaming.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, so data roaming. All right. Let's see.
International is the keyword.
There you
so
go,
you need data
right?
roaming
Yeah.
on your
mhm,
phone to
mhm.
keep syncing.
Yeah, the question is a little confusing, but so far as you can identify the keywords
Mhm.
and try to map it to the answer, that is it, right?
Mm.
And they don't really care if you understand the question or not, right? You can argue for all you want.
I mean, who are you arguing with?
No, you can. Some people be like, the question doesn't make sense, but
Yeah.
regardless,
I mean, if a lot of people argue, then they should figure out a way to change it.
no. So the issue is you don't have to get 100% correct in order for you to pass. So
True.
yeah, that one or two wouldn't really make any difference.
Anyway.
All right. So yeah, next question.
Okay. A user wants to use a smartphone to provide internet access to a laptop while traveling. Which of the following should be configured? A. Hotspot. B. NFC. C. Screen mirroring. D. VPN. Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's see, smart person. Oh.
Yeah.
Is it hotspot? Yeah, it is.
It is
Yeah,
hotspot.
It is hotspot.
You do that every day.
I know.
It is hotspot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So our kid and his iPad, we was able to use
Yeah.
hotspot. So I was like,
Right. So yeah, as I said, A plus is more like what you do on a day-to-day basis. But yeah.
Wait, you're not gonna spend all that? Oh well, we know what the other apps
yeah,
are,
the
so we don't need
option
to.
is, yeah.
Okay,
Not
but
really
you,
relevant.
but
in a way.
you're assuming that everybody understands.
You are right.
Mm-hmm.
You are right. However, the whole point is to get the question right. Anyways, let's try the next one here.
You're going extra fast today.
Not really.
Until we get to security. Oh, okay. A company issued tablets allow secure application access, a company issued tablet allows application access while on the corporate network. But the application fails when the tablet is off site. What should the following should the technician do? A, disable the device encryption. B, reinstall the operating system. C, reconfigure the MDM profile. D, reset the tablet to factory defaults. Ooh, we have C. So this is unanimous. C. C is the answer.
Okay. So the answer is C.
Okay.
So
why is it C?
First of all, disable device encryption. Encryption has nothing to do with application access.
Okay.
Right? It's just encrypting data. That is it.
Okay.
Reinstalling the operating system wouldn't have any effect on accessing an application.
Okay.
Right? Factory reset wouldn't help either, because the user is able to connect to it on premises or on the corporate network. However, they are unable to connect when they are off-site or in their house, on their home. Right?
Okay.
So C is the logical answer, which is configure the MDN, which is mobile device management profile. So every tablet that the company gives you, or every iPad or every phone that it gives you, it has MDM profile, mobile device management, and that allows the company to control the phone in a way. Right?
Okay.
So
you can take it. So crypto saying mobile device management reconfiguration.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it gives you the option, or gives the administrator, the company, the option to lock the phone or remote wipe whatever is on it. And it can also set up configuration on how you can get access to a specific application. Right? So they can set it up in such a way that if and only if you are on site, that you can access a specific application. If you are not on site or on corporate network, you wouldn't be able to access it. Right?
Don't mind me.
So yeah. So that is it.
Okay.
So let's try to see the next question here.
Okay.
This one might be a little. Yeah, this one is. I felt this one's a little confusing too. However, we have some smart people here, so it might not be that confusing to you guys. But I thought it was a little confusing.
When you were first taking it?
When I was looking at the question.
Okay.
I was like, that's a little confusing. But once you think of it, it would, or think about the question, it would make sense.
Okay.
All right, so let's go ahead whenever you are.
All right. A smartphone connects successfully to Wi-Fi inside a building, but has no internet access while the user moves to the parking lot. Which of the following is the most likely cause? That's not good English. Which of the following is the most likely cause? Okay. Bluetooth is disabled. B, cellular data is turned off. C, NFC is enabled. The phone is in airplane mode.
Why are you looking at the answers?
Because they answer it. Okay. Okay, we have B. Any more guesses? No more guesses? Okay, I guess the answer is B.
Yeah, so the answer is B. So the question is saying that a smartphone connects. It's a little confusing.
Yeah.
It says the smartphone connects successfully to Wi-Fi inside a building. However, it has no internet access when the user moves to the parking lot, right? And it all boils down to the distance for Wi-Fi, right? So in the building, it makes sense for the user to be able to connect to the Wi-Fi, right? However, when the user moves to the parking lot usually wouldn't get Wi-Fi signal,
Okay.
right? So the logical cause or likely cause of the issue is the cellular data is turned off.
Oh.
That is the Bluetooth wouldn't affect anything, right?
Okay.
NFC wouldn't affect anything.
Welcome, Dexter. BM Pub is saying that enabling cellular while Wi-Fi is drains the battery faster. That's on.
Okay. Noted.
I'm taking notes.
All
Next
right,
question.
so let's see. Let's try the next question.
Oh,
What happened?
that's how we've been on longer. It's just been like 30-something minutes.
Right. Okay, so let's
You're
do
moving
the
fast
next
with these
one.
questions.
Oh, really?
I think so.
I don't think.
I mean,
I'm
but
moving
because
fast.
it's not like the other one where it's like, and
Yeah.
everybody's unanimously answering the questions. So here,
Alright.
tapping away.
Okay.
Okay. A user frequently travels internationally and wants to switch mobile carriers without replacing a physical SIM card. Which of the following technologies should be used? I think I know this one. NFC, eSIM, Bluetooth, VPN. I'm gonna say B.
B.
Yeah, I answered before you guys.
So you do this on a day-to-day basis,
Yeah.
right? Your father wants to go international, and then, hey, can you call T-Mobile? You call T-Mobile, and then
Clearly, you know that my father has T-Mobile.
But anyway, so that is it, right?
Mm-hmm.
eSIM, right? NFC has nothing to do with SIM.
Welcome, no
right?
time. Okay.
Okay, so So
If these are the questions that we asking, then
but however, this is like 13%.
Okay, so it's like 2 questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is a. I think this is okay one as well.
Okay.
Let's try that. Okay. Alright, Alright.
Okay. A technician needs to ensure a company smartphone complies with corporate security policies and can be remotely managed. What should the following should the technician use? Enable developer mode, enroll the device in MDM, configure VPN profile, enable biometric authenticity. What's the answer?
Authentication.
Authentication.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What are the keywords that you would?
What are the keywords to point out? A technician shall company smart for compliance with corporate security policies. Remotely managed.
Which one?
Remotely managed.
Which one?
Remotely managed.
That's it. So select the answer.
Okay, enabled.
Which one?
C, VPN.
VPN?
No.
No.
Oh, then okay, then B. Okay, that was gonna be my other answer. I should have said that first.
So
Okay.
yeah. So B, we did talk about MDN, right? Mobile device management allows them to remotely control.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Got it.
Yeah. So VPN. I mean, someone might say VPN, right?
Yeah, I mean, I thought
VPN,
because
might be. I mean, but VPN doesn't allow. It allows some sort of security policy.
Mm-hmm.
However, it cannot remotely manage the device, right?
Okay.
VPN cannot do that.
Okay.
Right, so the answer is MDN, Mobile
MDN.
Device Manager.
Sounds like a designer's website or something.
Okay. Okay.
Next question. Chat.
Okay, good. This is also a good one. Let's try
Okay.
this a little. Yeah, I think it's good as well.
My red hair.
Come again?
No, my red hair's on my eye.
Alright. So let's just increase the size here. Alright.
Okay. A user reports excessive mobile data usage and slow performance while not connected to Wi-Fi. Which of the following settings should be configured to resolve the issue? Okay, enable airplane mode. Enable airplane mode. Disable Bluetooth. Restrict cloud sync to Wi-Fi only. Lower screen brightness. Why would you lower screen brightness?
Okay. I guess one is off.
Yeah, and airplane mode is definitely out. So it's between B and
so
C.
50-50.
Yeah, between B and C. But not connected to Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, what did they say?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're saying, ooh, when is very sure about this one. It's C, so it's C. Okay, C. Okay, we're gonna stick with C. Yeah, it's unanimous.
Yeah, so the answer is C, right?
Okay.
So a user reports excessive mobile data usage, right? And slow performance when not connected to Wi-Fi. Which of the following settings should be what? Configured to solve the issue, right? So, yeah, so excessive data usage. So basically syncing your iPhone to the cloud. Or to iCloud, or most of the time, especially some of the countries that internet is a little hard to get or difficult to get. Yeah, you have to usually turn off sync and also turn off download, right? Because remember, most of the application automatically download on by itself. So if you don't have enough data and there's downloads here and there, by the time you realize it's what your data will be done, will be exhausted.
Okay.
So yeah, so you can restrict cloud sync to Wi-Fi only. So don't sync unless I'm connected to Wi-Fi, which is more like a unlimited type of internet access, right? So yeah, so that is it. All right, so let's see. Okay, certain.
Are you looking for a harder question?
Yeah, I think what I have is the troubleshooting, which I think we did
previously.
Yeah.
Okay.
We did previously.
Oh, so you double your questions?
Oh, I think I'm probably have.
Okay. Are you gonna bring one of the trouble questions back again?
Which one? The troubleshooting?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Hold on. Yeah, I think.
See, I told you you were going fast.
No, I'm not going fast.
Would you ever have to? I don't know if I asked this question, but I think I probably have. For the A+, would you ever have to do anything hands-on?
Yes.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Okay. What domain is
I
that?
mean, it's not really hands-on. It's performance-based. It's not fully hands-on. But
Okay.
yeah, let me see.
So when we get to that part, you're gonna.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. Let me see if I can bring one more question.
Okay.
One more question. Yeah, I mean, it might not be related to.
But we said an hour. It hasn't been an hour yet, so we have to figure out more questions. More questions.
Okay.
There's so much screen, so if you see me going like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, there's a lot of screen.
Okay. Okay, this is out of the let's see. I'm gonna find a different.
Why is that one not good? It's not good.
No, it's okay.
Oh,
it's
I think
okay.
that's a good question.
This one?
Yeah. Right?
Okay, yeah, I think that is it.
Okay. I mean, only because it's NFC, and I don't know if that's what we were talking about before. So.
Yeah, that one is good. Oh, you're right. Let's try this now. Okay, and
Wow. It's a big camera.
all right, let's paste it here. Okay, so let's copy this. just going to leave the formatting is fine.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right. Which of the following best represents the purpose of NFC? A, wire connection between several devices. B, short distance wire connecting between two devices. C, wireless connection between multiple devices at once. D, direct connections of two computers for file sharing. Okay. Yeah, it's unanimous again. Okay. B
Okay.
is B. Final answer.
All right.
I see somebody joined. I thought they were gonna say
So
something.
yeah, so
Is B.
it's B. Right?
Short distance. Yeah, because we talked about
yep,
it. Okay.
Yep, right. Yeah, and as I said, these
Repetition is key.
once we target a specific domain, you realize that the questions repeat itself in a way. Right.
Okay.
So by the time we go over the entire question, you should be able to answer question related to that specific domain.
Okay.
All right. So let's see. Which one else?
You need like 5 more questions.
5?
Yeah, to hit the hour mark.
Okay, fine. If it's 5.
Okay. You might need to get out of the domain because this domain don't seem like a lot.
Okay. Oh, okay. So this, all right. I mean, it's 13%, so it's not that much of
the questions.
However, I think. Okay, good.
Okay.
So, and most of the CompTIA exams, especially when you start off with the route that I gave you guys, right? So you start with the A plus, Network plus, Linux plus, Security plus, and then any cloud certification. You realize that the certification built up, right? So you don't, once you finish the A plus and taking the Network plus, you don't have to start from scratch.
Okay.
Right? You realize that it's building up. So this question, although this question is in A plus now, we saw it in both Cloud Plus and
what's the question?
I'm about to put Cloud Plus and the AWS Cloud Practitioner.
Oh.
And I know we would find the same question in AZ 900, which is the Microsoft
900,
right? So it would repeat itself.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, which is good
so
then.
you don't have to start from scratch.
Okay.
Right? And that's how you build up
your fundamentals.
Knowledge. Yep.
Okay. Which of the following cloud models would multiply organization?
Would multiple.
Multiple.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, which of the following cloud models would multiple organization in the same industry most likely use? What does that even mean? The question sounds confusing, but anyway. All right, public, hybrid, community, private. This sounds familiar.
It does.
And I'm gonna go with my brain tells me.
Okay.
But I'm waiting for my chart. Yeah, I was thinking what word that. Yeah, that seems more sensible.
Which one?
C.
C.
Community.
Why community?
Because it was talking about multiple clouds, right? And multiple organization, right? And when you think multiple, you think of a community, right? And I think last time you explained about public, which was, you were using the Mount Sinai system and stuff, right? Yeah, I remember some stuff. Okay, I really can't take the exam. Same industry, yes, same industry.
That's the keyword.
Okay, that was the other one. So C. I don't know if crypto answered B or that was for the previous one. I think that was the previous one.
Okay.
You're gonna say the answer?
Yeah, it's
crypto said it's tricky.
Oh, wait, this one?
Yeah, because
really?
To be honest, because if you hadn't explained it the other time,
yeah, cause
I wouldn't have the knowledge of it.
So public is the regular cloud services, which is AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud. Those are public.
Everybody has
Yeah.
access. Okay.
Private is specifically to organization. Right?
Okay.
So organizations can have their own private. Um, cloud that they use.
Okay.
Right? Hybrid is having a cloud service and at the same time a portion of the services on premises. That's hybrid.
Okay.
And then community as well is cloud specifically for a specific industry organization, right?
Okay.
So if you're in the legal system, there might be a cloud service just for you, the legal community.
But the verbiage of this question, right?
Yeah.
Which of the following cloud models would multiple organization?
Okay.
What does that mean?
Would
multiple
organization, 2 or more organization, in the same industry.
in the same.
Yeah, organization. Mount Sinai.
New York Presbyterian.
New York. There are multiple organizations, but
Okay.
they are in the same industry,
Sure.
healthcare.
Okay.
Right.
In the same industry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it might be a little confusing.
I can see why
if
he said
you-
it's tricky though. I can see that.
Yeah, but most of the time the industry should be the
keyword,
The same
okay.
industry.
So multiple organizations in the same industry.
Right? They
Okay.
can be in the same legal system. They can be
Okay.
in the same police department,
Department.
right?
Oh, but different boroughs or different different
Exactly.
counties.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, be like the MLS too, right?
MLS.
Yeah. No.
Exactly.
The MLS.
Exactly, but
Okay.
MLS is not really cloud.
I don't know if it is or not.
Service.
Uh,
It's just
oh.
a software.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got
But
it.
it's just specifically for those that are involved in real
Real
estate.
estate.
Exactly, right?
Got it.
All right, so let's see. Let's add one more.
You have 5 minutes.
Which is for,
I think you have about 2 more questions to go.
okay. Let's try this one.
Why?
Yeah, let's try this. These two actually. I mean, yeah, you have 2 more, so that's fine. I think that will suffice.
Why these 2?
Okay. Why?
Why?
Okay. Oh, I don't know.
Why?
Yeah, why these 2? I don't know.
Oh, what was the answer? Oh, it was C.
C, community. Yeah, I didn't answer it.
Yeah, you did. You
Maybe I
did.
Okay.
You did.
Because I was just explaining.
Yeah. No, you did.
Okay.
And then crypto was like YC.
Okay.
And then POV said shared. Okay, but it was C. But I kind of lost in between because I thought it was the other way.
Hey, why?
You are. It's 11 o'clock. Like, who's calling at 11 o'clock?
All right, so let's do this one. I have 2 more for you, or
Okay.
we can call it a day. All right, this is a little out of scope, so we've exhausted all the questions.
Oh, for the.
mobile device.
So which domain is this? Do you know?
This I have to look it up,
Okay.
but this is networking, right?
Networking.
So this question, although it's in A plus,
Will be in network
it
plus.
would exactly be
because
in
it's networking.
right?
Okay.
So it'll be in network plus, and it can also be in cloud plus as well.
Okay.
You have to know networking as well. So,
Oh, okay. They're answering. Okay. Hold on.
okay.
Which of the following which of the following network services is used to assign an IP address to a network host? Okay, DHCP, DNS, LDAP, and SMTP. They all sound familiar, but so I'm gonna just go with what they saying.
All right, so everybody, okay. So,
Unanimously saying A.
yeah.
Okay, DHCP.
So yeah, DHCP. So it says which of the following
Dynamic host protocol.
the dynamic configuration host.
Dynamic host
configuration protocol. Okay, so which of the following network services is used to assign an IP address to a network host? Yeah, so that is DHCP, right? The task of the DHCP server is to assign IP addresses. B, which is DNS, domain name system or domain name server. Its job is to map friendly names
Mm-hmm.
to IP addresses, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think the other time I explained. Um, Human beings, we are good with phrase and words, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can easily remember people's names, right?
Okay.
Or phrases. However, the computer is not that great with words and phrases, right? But they are good with numbers,
Mm-hmm.
right? So zeros and ones or 192.168. Those are the things that they understand.
Welcome,
So
Summer
now
Sky.
we have to bridge. Well, we have to bridge what humans know
Mm-hmm.
and what the computer knows, right? So there
Okay.
has to be a system in between, which is a DNS server that translates what you type www.facebook.com into the IP address of Facebook. So yeah, that is it. LDAP is used for its directory services and authentication, right? So
Okay.
user management. SMTP is for sending emails, right?
Okay.
So with networking, there are services that perform specific tasks, right? Yeah, and you need these services. And the next question would basically be a follow up to this, right? All these services have port numbers, right? So if you want to enable, let's say DNS
Mm-hmm.
on your system, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have to open a specific port on the firewall.
And the firewall.
Yeah, on the firewall
Okay.
to allow that service to come in.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
If you want to have your computer or your server as a web server,
Mm-hmm.
right, or using HTTP or HTTPS,
Mm-hmm.
you have to make sure the firewall is allowing that HTTP or HTTPS traffic to pass through, right?
Okay.
So that is it. So let's go to the next question here.
This is the last one.
Yeah, that should be the last one
Okay.
here.
It's 11 on the clock. So.
Mhm. Alright, so let's paste this here.
Yeah. Are these the numbers you're talking
Yep.
about? Before I read it, these numbers are always going to be this constant, right? It's not
Yep.
like additional
Yep.
subtraction.
You have to memorize. Yep.
All right. Which of the following port is commonly used for remote desktop connection?
Mm-hmm.
137, 445, 3389, 44443.
Okay.
Oh,
So
unanimous.
now, if you want to be able to remote into your laptop that you have at home
Mm-hmm.
from your workplace,
Mm-hmm.
you have to make sure this port is open on your firewall.
Okay.
If you don't have that, it wouldn't work, right?
Okay.
So that is the whole point of the port numbers
RDP.
and the services, right?
What's RDP?
Remote desktop
Oh,
protocol.
okay, duh.
Right.
You did say that.
Yeah,
Okay.
remote desktop protocol.
All right.
Yeah. So the answer is the answer is C. The answer is C.
See.
That is 3389.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is remote desktop.
I have tapped away.
Yeah, so and the other port is used for other port numbers is used for different services
Okay.
as well. Right, so you have to know this, especially in network. Apparently needed in A plus as well. And when you get to the industry, you have to know it as well, right? And as I mentioned, in case you want to allow a service to pass through, right, you might configure the services on your server. However, there wouldn't be any traffic coming in,
Okay.
right? So you have to know that, okay, I'm trying to work on an HTTPS server, so I have to make sure port 443 is enabled on the firewall or on every network device that is in between before traffic can come in, right?
Okay.
All right, so I think that should be all.
I don't think the experts here have any questions for this.
No, this is too easy for them. This is too easy. All right, so yeah, that should be all for today, and tomorrow we're doing
Thank you guys for joining.
Network Plus. Yeah,
And your
thank you.
consistency is highly appreciated. So we're not here by ourselves. So appreciate it. Thanks, Win.
All right.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye bye everyone.
Wait, same time.
Same